Hello, it's Carol at Consignment Cat. How's everyone doing this Wednesday? So I just closed the store a little while ago. We haven't done a video. I worked all by myself today, so I wasn't able to do one earlier, and I'm not going to show you any items tonight. Tonight I'm just going to announce the weekly winner, and I'm going to talk a little bit about how to consign with us. So I thought it'd be like a little informational video, a little tutorial, and that'll be tonight's content. So the lucky winner was I'm doing this from memory now, Denise Harbuck, and I drew her through a new piece of software or a new app that I'm using, and it's called Comment Picker, and it lets me select the videos that I want to choose the name from, and it will randomly pick a name when I just pick a name. So there's a lot of features on it. So the way it's going to be a little bit new this time. So this go around, to enter the contest, you have to like the video and comment and tag someone. That's 3 things going forth that you'll have to do to get an entry into the contest. Like, comment, and tag. And I think your comment can actually be the tag. When you tag a friend, that would count as a comment. So that's how you'll enter the $25 drawing that Vicki Denise Harbuck won this week. And we'll put that money in her account. She'll be able to shop. And we look forward to seeing you. The other thing I want to announce is we have all kinds of inventory in the store, and we want you to come into the store and shop in our clearance room, shop our sale racks, shop our new arrivals. We have all kinds of great stuff in here for you all, and we just like to see you. If you live somewhere else, we like to see you shop online. The online website's fabulous. If you learn how to use it, it is fabulous. You can shop by categories. If you want to shop for formals, you just go to the formal category. If you want to shop by, say you want to find a pair of blue jeans, you can go to bottoms and you can change the filter to jeans. You can filter it by size, and you'll just be getting a listing of things that pertain to what you're looking for. So I want you all to learn how to use the website to shop, and we have thousands, I think 4,000 or 5,000 items on our website. The link is actually in the comments, if you look at the comments to this video. Okay, you all feel free to ask questions. We're going to talk about how to consign. So if you've never consigned with me, this will be great. If you've already consigned, it'll be maybe like a little refresher. So, hi Paula, thanks for saying hi. I love it when people interact. So, to consign, I got my little cheat notes in case I get nervous and forget what I'm supposed to say. Although I have said this probably 1,000 times at least. People ask me how to consign. So, first of all, we only take ladies' clothing, ladies and juniors, sizes 0 to 24, a 2X or a 3X. That's as high as I have shoppers for and room for in my store. That's all we sell here is for ladies, juniors, and we sell everything from formals to casual, career, shoes, purses, jewelry, some accessories. And so if that's what you have to sell, then I would love to help you sell them. We only sell for you. We don't pay you up front. We consign and pay you after the item sells. And you'll have a nice fancy account set up that you can track your account. I'll get more to that in just a second. So that's what we take. We want you to make an appointment for your first time especially. After you're established, you can bring a few things at a time. Thank you, Paula. Now you have to tag. The new system is to like, comment, and tag. I have new software that selects the winner of the contest so that I don't have to spend 30 minutes to an hour writing down all the names, numbering them, finding a random number generator. So to get entered in this contest for $25, like, comment, and share. So like is when you just click the heart or something on here. All right, back to how to consign. You know what we take. You make an appointment, then be prepared to pay $10 to set up your account. It's a one-time setup fee that we charge in the beginning to get you established and to cover our time for it's like the initial time we spend with you, the time that passes before your items sell, because we spend more time with your items up front than we do on the end. Okay. Then we want you to inspect your items before you bring them in. And just look them over. Are they clean? Are they current? Are they cute? Oh, thank you, Bonnie. So we try to have like easy to remember things. Like I wouldn't have to look at this. I could just say, think clean, current, and cute. Look at your items. Are they clean? Are they current? Are they cute? Would you buy them? And then more specifically, we have this deeper layer system called ABCs. And it stands for age, brand, condition, and season. So age, going deeper into that, no more than 3 to 5 years old. This is how we're going to pick out what we take and don't take. We're known for being very picky, and I really can't apologize for that because it's how I run the business. I want my store to just be full of things that sell or that are going to sell, because it's full. If you've ever been here, this store, I mean, you can see it behind me, just a little bit of it. We're packed, and that's just a little portion of my store. So no more than 3 to 5 years old. If it's super cute, vintage, I might consider it. Then, so that's A, age, for the A part of the ABCs. B is for brands. We only take the better brands. And maybe more specifically, we don't take low-end brands. We take medium brands. We take boutique brands because they sell well. They're trendy. They are a little bit fast fashion, but if it's super cute, a well-known boutique, and decently made, and we think it'll sell, we'll take it. We don't take those overseas brands like from Shein and Temu, because you can buy that stuff probably cheaper than I can price it. So there's no reason for me to take it. I can't outprice them. And I don't want to buy it and mark the price up, because that's just not what we do here. So brands, just think better brands. There is a list of brands we don't take on our website, so you can always go to our website. All this information's on our website under how to consign. It talks about what we take, setup fee, make an appointment. Also, I think I forgot to say, bring them on hangers, please. Everything that you can bring on hangers, bring on hangers. You can pick up hangers here if you need them, or you can change them out or hang them up when you get here. So, let's see, is there anything else about brands? I'll get back to it if there is. Condition. This third of the ABCs is the C for condition. They have to be in excellent condition, ready to wear. So don't bring them wrinkled or dirty or smelly or needing repair. We won't take any of that. Again, we're known for being very picky. So in condition, I kind of ran over that real fast. Some of the most common things people overlook are pilling. You know, those little tiny balls that get on them when you wash them, fuzz. We won't take them if they have those on there. Check the collar, the underarms, see if there's any faint, shadowy food spots on the front of anything. We won't take it. And I'm really good at finding them. A lot of times, don't be embarrassed if you bring it in and I find something, because that's just the way I am. I've been doing it for a long time. Those are the most common things on condition, are spots and pilling, and sometimes a little hole or a snag. Snags and runs, those are common too. Okay, so A, B, C, age, brand, condition, season. So ABC's plural, the S is for season. We only take seasonal clothing. I'm only taking spring and summer right now because that's what people are buying. Now in my clearance room, I have some winter stuff, and plenty of people are buying the winter stuff because they're getting it at really good prices. I'm selling coats for under $20, $10 to $15. And they're in our clearance room in the store, and the clearance room online. Just go to the website, click on online clearance room, and you'll see everything that's on clearance. We even have a section called $10 and under on our website. Okay, you might want to know how long we're gonna try to sell it. 2 to 6 months. 2 months for most everything, 6 months for formal wear, special occasions, special events, semi-formals. We try those for 6 months. What happens at the end of the consignment period? I went past the commission. How much are you gonna make? So you're gonna make 40 to 60%, and I'm gonna make 40 to 60%. There's a split depending on how much I can sell it for. So up to, I think, $47.99, I get 60 and you get 40, because it's a lower, the cash margin is lower, so we have to do it that way. Now, as I can sell it for more, I can give you more. So after that, I do 50-50, and for formals and some of the high-end purses, I do $192 and up. You get the 60 and I get the 40. So that's the commission, 2 to 6 months. When it expires, you have 3 options. You can do nothing, you can pull and reconsign, or you can pull and take home. Now, do nothing's not as bad as it sounds, because if you do nothing, we're probably going to mark it down and put it in the clearance room, and you're still going to make your commission off of the markdown. Now, if it goes below $10, you're only going to get 30%, because again, I've got to make some money off of each item to make it worth doing. That's the do nothing. There's a small chance it could get donated if you do nothing. Number 2, pull and reconsign. You come to the store, we'll print a list of what's here, and you can pull them, bring them to the counter. We can extend the dates and put like 20 to 30% off stickers on them. That's number 2, second option, pull and reconsign. The third option, we can print the list out, you find them, and you can take them home. So that is the main spill on how to consign. And I tell people every day almost. People call on the phone, they text us and message us, and they in the store they ask us how to do it. So I thought I'd make a little video on how to do it. And if y'all have any questions, please ask. Remember to like and tag someone if you think they might be interested in how to consign. You can just tag them and say, hey, you know, hey Julie, are you interested in selling your clothes? Your clothes are so cute, I think, you know, that you could sell them at Consignment Cat and make a little money. So, thanks everyone. Good night.